Deepti, is it live? Oh, yes. I can't hear you actually. You are on mute, I guess.
Am I audible?
Yeah, now it's good.
Okay. So we'll just start in 2 minutes.
Cool.
लाइट आगे. Yeah, Pooja, so we are all set. Can we?
Cool. All right.
Yeah,
Okay,
so
so I
you
will.
can yeah, you can
Okay.
quickly give the update about the round two, then I'll just start with the round three.
Perfect. Yeah, sure. So, guys, we have evaluated like 25 applications or the solutions which we received from the shortlisted candidates. And out of those, we have shortlisted 15 candidates. I would like to name them. So, one second. Let me open the sheet. So first is Madhumika, Prakhar Jaju, Avilash Kumar, Shivam Raghuvanshi, Sumit Baronia, Vaishnavi Patil, Fatima, Saurabh, Devendranath Reddy, Ranesh Krishna, Anvisha Chakraborty, Sainik Khaddar, Sagrika Mondal, Shashwat Jain, and Sairam Vaidya. So these are the people we have shortlisted for round three, and Deepthi would be sharing about the round three details after that. So all the very best, guys, and congratulations on getting shortlisted. So yes, Deepthi, you may go ahead.
Thank you, Pooja, for updating the round two winners. I'm just going to share my screen. Let me know once it's visible. Are you able to see my screen, Pooja?
No, earlier it was, but now it's not shared yet.
Okay. Pooja, I'll just log out and log in once again. Seems like there are some issues. So I'll just log out and log in. Thank you.
Sure, sure. Done, done.
Yeah, so Pooja, just let me know, is it visible now, the
Yes.
screen?
Yep. Yep.
Okay. Okay, so congratulations to all the round two winners. For round three, you are going to explore how the world development indicators influence the happiness index of a country. This is a great real world challenge to help realize a happy world. For the same, we have captured data sets from two sources. The first one is the World Happiness Report is a publication of United Nations Sustainable Development Solutions Network. It contains articles and rankings of national happiness based on respondent ratings of their own lives, which the report also correlates with various life factors. And the second one is the World Development Indicators is the primary World Bank collection of development indicators compiled from officially recognized international sources. It presents the most current and accurate global development data available and includes national, regional, and global estimates. So, this was about the data set which we are going to provide you to work on. And here exactly it's mentioned that what exactly is expected out of that data set. So you need to create only one visualization which is most effective and expressive to present the relationship between the two data sets. Secondly, you need to train a model based on development indicators, and both the happiness index and the development indicators will be used from a real data set to test the model. Now, coming to the submission part, how exactly you are supposed to submit. So you need to submit your uh, result in .pynb file with four cells, only four cells. It should not be more than four cells. So I'll just take you through that what are all those cells should contain. So the first cell should be marked down, which should include your team name, member names, and email IDs of all the members. So it should be all the members' details. The second cell should include code for visualization, all the code which you use to create visualization and pre-processing, if any. Like taking, if I talk about the second cell, you need to keep it in your mind that starting from the importing the file and everything, you need to just finish it in within a single cell. Whatever visualization you are going to do, it should be within the single cell. Now, coming to the third cell. So, the third cell should include code for model and happiness index prediction. I mean, whatever code which is related to the model, it should be placed in cell 3. Last but not the least is the cell 4, where you're supposed to put all the function which should take two files same as 2018 and returns the prediction accuracy. So these are the four cells you are supposed to create in your notebook. Yeah, not more than that. And please make sure to mention the team details properly, the name as well as the email ID of all the members. And here is the timeline for the same, that by what time you're supposed to submit your results. So it's tomorrow at by 10 o'clock. And if you need any type of clarification or you have any doubts, you can reach out to the following mail IDs. Yeah, so this is all about the round three. If you have any questions, you can just drop it in the chat. Or if you don't have any question as of now, Later on, if you feel like any question or any clarification, you can just drop the mail. Let me check if we have any questions. Any deadline? Yes, Anvisha, we have the deadline. You're supposed to submit the solution by tomorrow, 10 a.m. Do we have any other question? Can we use the Power BI or Tableau for data visualization? No, Saurabh, it's not required. You're not supposed to use Tableau or Power BI. You need to use only Python and submit it as additional file with .py file. No, there should be only four files, as I mentioned, four cells. Yeah, hope it's clear. Yeah, fine, sorry. Please send the PDF as well as it will clear doubts. Okay, sure. Avilash will be sharing it. And no, and I'll be sharing the PDF. Okay, and also you'll be receiving the data set by mail. Alternatively, you can download from the Data Challenge 2 link, the WIDS 2022 website. You can go there and you can download it from there. But again, that can be only applicable for those participants who have already completed round 2. So somehow, if you missed to, register your team member's mail ID, please make sure you do that. Else you'll not be able to access the data. Or if any one person is going to, access it, you can just share it within your team. Yeah, so that was all from my side. That was pretty all about round 3. Pooja, is there anything else from your side?
No, Deepti, that's it. Like we have discussed everything, and you have precisely mentioned about the requirements as well as how to submit the round three solution. So that's pretty much of it. Thank you so much.
Okay, fine.
All
So I
the best
think,
to you.
yeah, so very all the best to all of you. Do let us know if you feel any difficulty or any issue. Is there any clarification required? And yeah, so that's all. If there is no further question, so we can just close it.
Yeah, and and just update Deepthi, like we have just shared the email about round 3 to the participants, like they must have received the data sets, both of the data sets along with your PPT. So yes, guys, you have the questions. If you feel like if you have any problem, issue, or any doubt, just please feel free to share. Reach out to us over the email, and we will make sure that we'll try to resolve it as soon as possible.
Yeah. Okay. So I think we are good to close now. If I mean there is nothing further to discuss, right, Pooja? So bye bye
Yeah.
to all of you. All the best. Feel free to, I mean, ping us if you have any doubts related to dataset or anything. Yeah.
Cool. Bye, everyone. Let's meet tomorrow.
Yeah, Pooja. Okay, bye bye. Thank you for joining once again. And bye to all of you. Wish you all the best. See you all tomorrow. Yeah. Bye bye. Thank you.